Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I know summertime is almost over, but mango is still in season. And one more thing, we are in virtual learning. We are at home all the time. So mom always wants to spoil us with her wonderful sweet treats like cakes and ice cream. So now just follow her into the kitchen to see how she make her delicious mango ice cream again. She has a overripe mango, so peel it, of course. And slice it and cut it into cubes. That's easy, right? Everyone can do it. I think so. For sure, I could cut it. But I like to suck the seed. Mom, give it to me, please. Okay, I'm late for that. Now put that into the freezer for 6 hours or until frozen.
6 hours later! Woo!
Yum, it looks so good. Yum, yum, yum. Use blender, pour all frozen mango in. 1 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon sugar. This amount of sugar depends on how sweet your mango is. So today our mango is overripe. It's super sweet already. That's why mom used just small amount of sugar. Now, if you have Instant Pot blender, just press the frozen desserts button and let the blender do its job. But if you don't have this one, that's fine too. Just use the blender that could blend ice. Blend it till smooth. After it's done, mom wants to blend it again for smoother, so she presses again. Hopefully you're not impatient. Pour out the container and straight to the freezer for 5 hours, 7 minutes, 43 seconds. Don't get me wrong, but that's a myth. That's what mom says. If the ice cream over the amount of time, the ice cream will become ice. Ha 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 ha. But we taste it right away from the blender. It's like creamy mango smoothie. If you cannot wait until it's frozen like ice cream like us, so why not? Use a big straw and dig it in. But sorry, mom wants ice cream. Yum. Who doesn't want a scoop of creamy, delicious mango ice cream in a very hot day like those days? It's also not as sweet as a store-bought, and of course healthier. Why? Homemade, always the best. Because you don't need to waste your money. Actually, you kind of do. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.